Welcome. Today, we're going to walk through a simple and effective way to duplicate a folder using the Dropbox mobile app, the updated method that works smoothly on your phone or tablet. First, open the Dropbox app on your mobile device. Once the app is up and running, you'll notice several options at the bottom of the screen. Look for the one labeled Files and tap on it. This will take you to the heart of your Dropbox, where all your folders and files are neatly organized. Now, scroll or browse through your list of folders until you find the one you want to duplicate. Once you spot it, look to the right side of that folder's name. You'll see a small icon with 3 dots stacked vertically. Tap those 3 dots to open a menu with several options related to that folder. In this menu, find and select the option that says Duplicate. Tapping this will instantly create an exact copy of the folder, right there in the same location. The duplicated folder will usually have the same name as the original, but Dropbox will add a number or the word copy so you can easily tell them apart. And just like that, you've created a duplicate folder without needing to move files one by one or use a computer. This feature is great for backing up important folders before making changes or when you want to organize your work by making a quick copy. Keep in mind, this update ensures the process is straightforward and fast, perfect for anyone who relies on Dropbox for everyday file management right from their phone. So next time you need a quick folder copy on the go, remember these simple taps. Open Dropbox, hit Files, tap the 3 dots next to the folder, and select Duplicate. It's that easy. Thanks for watching.